Hello there everybody, Sam's Trains here, welcome back to the railway and welcome to another 1 minute wonder. You're getting 3 of them today, so here's the first. So most of us have seen modern smoke generators and we've seen just how good they are, but here's a very old one from the early 1960s, and in fact it's probably one of the first ever smoke generators to be made available in 00 gauge. It's called the Tri-ang Syncro-smoke unit, and here's how it works. If I show you inside here, you can see we've got a reservoir which holds the smoke fluid and an element there which heats it up and turns it into a vapour, and then here's the clever bit. At the back we've got this bellows, and the motor turns this gear around while it's running and it pumps air into the smoke generator using that bellows to produce this puffing effect which is synchronised to the speed of the locomotive. Now to be fair, it's not hugely effective, especially compared with modern ones, but it does actually work, just about. So for me that is a 1 minute wonder. So if you know of any other models or curiosities that would make for a good 1 minute wonder video, please let me know down in the comments and I will definitely consider that for a future video.